Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the iPad Pro. Update to the latest iPad OS so features work reliably, and sign into your Apple ID to keep data synced. Once done, open Settings and enable Apple Intelligence, then grant permissions for key apps like Mail, Safari, Messages, and Notes so the feature can access context. Make sure Spotlight and Siri settings allow suggestions and indexing. This matters because Apple Intelligence draws from on-device content to produce accurate, private results. So enable indexing for the apps you'll use most. You now use Apple Intelligence in workflows. Tap the Intelligence icon in an app toolbar, pull down Spotlight, or select text and choose Suggestions to invoke the assistant. Once open, ask for a summary, email draft, or to extract action items. Be specific about tone, length, or format so results match your needs. Make sure to drag generated text or images into Notes, Mail, or a document, and use the copy button for quick pasting. Keep experimenting with short prompts, then refine with follow-ups to sharpen accuracy. You finish by polishing and saving. Request edits or reformatting until the output fits your goal, then save to Notes, Files, or send via mail. Use tags or pins for later. Make sure to review privacy settings and remove access for apps you don't trust. Apple Intelligence works best with clear permissions. If something goes wrong, toggle Apple Intelligence off and back on in Settings, restart the iPad, and verify app permissions. If problems persist, sign out of iCloud and sign back in to refresh indexing and access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.